Take this plug off, just use a straight blade screwdriver or a trim tool. Pops right out. There's a screw in there. Use a T25 to remove it. If you need to, use a magnet so you don't drop it. There it is. Just so I don't drop it. Slide it out. Now just grab the handle, slide this up slightly, and slide this piece of the handle out. And grab the handle, and it just kind of slides out that way. Take this part of the handle, and it just kind of angles in there. Just put that part in, and then push towards the vehicle. And take this part, just raise up the handle a little bit, line that in position. And pushing down on the cover on the outside, take the screw and just line it up. And just put the cap on.